this is Joan of Art, and we are here at our Spicy Noodle Challenge! Samyang! Spicy noodle! Fiery noodles or spicy noodles. In Ilonggo, spicy is kahang. So let's see the kahang challenge. Yan, spicy noodles. We'll try this. I'm a fan of spicy food, so I think I can do this. Is this too much? Uy, nandabi! Ano naman, Dayan? Special pan. This is it, pancit. Spicy. Kaya. Spicy ano? Wala. It's... It's biting. It's spicy. Kahang. Twice as spicy. So I think kaya. What do you think? Sisiu. Kan said he can do it.
Namit mo na yung kanton.
Mukadamo.
Tuloy na dapat ha? Wala? Di ko yan, no? Kuya Balaming.
Oh, so it's nothing.
Yes.
Friends?
More.
Friends?
More.
More kabatsan. Oh, video gila. Okay, yung siya galing sa versa. Bigla na kapag mamalian. Bala na spaghetti. Pero galing sa sarang siya. Tastes like spaghetti. Kaya! Okay, sisiu. Right? Samyang challenge! Smile. Kaya. After a few seconds. Wow, kaya! Mas hot ka na si Ronan. He's hotter than these noodles.
Smile.
Smile. Palo kapagid. Another. A second helping. Namit. Delicious.
Kaya.
Good. Sherwin. Hindi siya. Ayaw ni Sherwin. Ayaw. Kaya. Alright. Kaya ni. Bawa kadamo sila.
Ibanan ko na lang gani.
Bawa. Kanamit. Hop. Kaya. Spicy noodle. Kaya. Ladylike ba yan?
Kaya. May ligan sa kahang. Di ba, hantak namin?
Okay.
Sir, tigil sa lalaki yung makaano kay Miss Wen.
Apil na po. Hindi na ko.
Kaya.
Hindi ko ginjok lang kamo. Kaya? Hindi na. Oh, wow.
Kapabilin sa imo tutulan?
Oo, kapabilin eh.
Kapabilin.
Oh, doon wala lang. It's like nothing happened. It's spicy. Spicy, but alright. It's good. Yay! Paano ka nalaman kung hindi? Titikman! Up.
Kaya.
Mubusa na. Oh, with a smile.
Kaya.
It's hot, but you're hotter.
Yeah.
Wow! It's like nothing happened. It's yours. So you try it.
Yes.
This is your idea, Julio. So, why so little? It's so ladylike. No, gay ka da. Re-endorser. This is his idea. Ngayon, ini hampang mo. Example, may pamangkot sa imo. Kung hindi mo gusto hampang mo, ay hindi mo gusto sabton, kaon ka samyang. Samyang challenge. Wow, kaya. Sisiw ah. Ano man sa imo?
Bitin.
Tigas-tigas. Kayanin. Kaya.
Amit na? Kaya. Wala. Kaya. Sisiw. Kaya.
Okay ba? Kalma lang yan. Except for the challenge.
Kaya.
Kaya. Sige na, go Nick! Go Nick!
Mahibi ko may promise.
Hindi kaya.
Pero makabaon. Hindi pwede.
Okay.
Madugo na yan. Dugong
So yes, the spiciness is still there. It's not going away. It's really spicy. So, but we survived the spicy challenge. So I hope you all do. This is Joan of Art, and our lesson for today is kahang. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Si Army